Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best Wi-Fi dash cams in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best Wi-Fi dash cams. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Driving security with the TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear, designed to capture every journey in stunning ultra-clear detail. Dual cameras record the road ahead and behind simultaneously, helping protect you during accidents, parking incidents, and insurance claims. A free 128GB memory card is included, so you can start recording right out of the box. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you preview videos, download clips, and manage settings quickly through your smartphone. Built-in GPS tracks route speed and location data for added confidence and accurate trip records. The advanced G sensor automatically locks important footage when sudden impact or braking is detected, preventing overwrite. A wide 170-degree viewing angle reduces blind spots and captures more lanes, intersections, and roadside activity. The bright 3-inch IPS screen delivers clear playback and easy menu navigation day or night. Compact, reliable, and simple to install, this dash camera is an excellent choice for commuters, families, rideshare drivers, and anyone who values safety, convenience, and dependable evidence on every drive daily, with continuous loop recording for worry-free travel in all seasons and everyday use, always ready now. Number 2. Vantrue new N4 Pro S4K 3-channel dash cam delivers premium all-around protection for modern drivers who want crystal clear evidence on every trip. Equipped with triple STARVIS 2 sensors, it records stunning 4K front footage, sharp 1080p cabin video, and detailed 2.5K rear coverage simultaneously. The wide-angle lenses capture more of the road, passengers, and surroundings, helping reduce blind spots. HDR imaging and advanced IR night vision keep plates, faces, and lane details visible in low light or challenging weather. With 24/7 buffered parking mode, the camera automatically saves important incidents while your car is parked. Built-in GPS logs route and speed data for accurate trip records. Loop recording continuously overwrites old files, while emergency lock preserves critical clips during collisions or sudden braking. Easy app connectivity lets you review videos, adjust settings, and share footage quickly. Its durable design, user-friendly interface, and dependable performance make it an excellent choice for commuters, families, rideshare drivers, and road trip enthusiasts seeking confidence, daily travelers wanting smarter security and peace of mind on highway, city streets, and remote roads, year-round protection, always ready today and now, wherever adventures may take you safely ahead. Number 3. Experience crystal clear road protection with the REDTIGER dash cam, featuring stunning 4K front recording and sharp 1080p rear coverage. Powered by the advanced STARVIS 2 sensor, it captures brighter details, cleaner plates, and dependable evidence even after dark. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi delivers quick transfers up to 20 megabytes per second, making video download smooth and frustration-free. Built-in GPS logs routes, speed, and location data for accurate trip records. WDR and HDR night vision balance shadows and glare, so city lights and headlights stay controlled. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens sees more lanes and roadside activity, reducing blind spots. Intelligent loop recording automatically overwrites old files while protecting locked emergency clips. Parking mode monitors your vehicle when unattended, helping deter bumps and hit and runs. Easy controls, reliable performance, and durable construction make this camera ideal for commuters, families, rideshare drivers, and road trip lovers seeking confidence every mile. Install quickly with included mounts and enjoy a clean windshield setup. Clear menu simplifies settings, while automatic start and stop recording means you never miss important moments on busy roads or quiet streets. Daily journeys, always ready now, today, secure for drivers everywhere instantly. Number 4. BOTSLAB 4K dash cam front and rear delivers crystal clear protection for every drive, with true ultra-high definition recording from the front camera and sharp rear coverage behind your vehicle. The 170 degrees ultra-wide lens captures more lane signs and surroundings, reducing blind spots and preserving critical details. Built with the advanced IMX415 sensor, it enhances clarity in daytime traffic and difficult low-light conditions. Intelligent night vision and WDR balance highlights and shadows, helping you read plates and road markings after dark. The included Hardwired kit enables dependable 24/7 parking monitoring, automatically recording impacts or suspicious movement while parked. ADAS safety alerts provide helpful reminders for lane drift and forward movement awareness. Seamless loop recording overwrites old files when storage fills, so the camera stays ready without manual cleanup. Easy installation, reliable performance, and user-friendly controls make this Dashcam ideal for commuters, families, rideshare drivers, and road trip travelers seeking confidence, evidence, and around-the-clock security every day on city streets, highways, parking lots, and busy neighborhoods with stress-free ownership and smarter travel protection, always on guard for drivers everywhere today, now plus more. Number 5. Experience complete road protection with a REDTIGER 530 degrees Dashcam 3-channel system designed for drivers who want confidence every trip. It records crisp 2.5K front video, detailed 2.5K cabin footage, and clear 1080p rear coverage, capturing every angle of your journey. The included 128 gigabytes memory card lets you start using it right away without extra purchases. Advanced IR night vision enhances low-light recording inside the vehicle, making it ideal for rideshare drivers, families, and late-night commuters. A responsive touchscreen makes changing settings, reviewing clips, and navigating menus quick and simple. Loop recording automatically overwrites old files, while locked emergency videos stay protected when incidents occur. Wide-angle lenses help reduce blind spots and preserve important details like plates and road signs. Compact and modern, this dash camera fits neatly on your windshield without blocking visibility. Whether commuting daily or heading out on long road trips, REDTIGER delivers dependable evidence, safer driving awareness, and peace of mind every mile for all seasons thanks to durable construction, stable mounting, easy installation, and user-friendly controls that anyone can master quickly today, now always everywhere. Secure daily driving needs met with ease guaranteed.